Hello again, Eric here. Do another speed run on the logo for you here. This one is this is an actual real team, the San Diego Surf Dogs. I actually originally made this for Super Mega Baseball 2, and as we got 13 layers, I actually updated a little bit. I'm actually going to take another shot at this at some point down the road, just haven't gotten to it, because I used the Overdogs to save space when I was doing it at 16 layers. I used the dog head, but I want to actually try to make the actual head for it. So, and I did add the tattoos just to kind of make it look a little more badass. So, all right, let's get into it. Again, for these speed runs, like I said, just take a piece of paper and write them down. I need to do this to bang out these logos so I can delete and clear some space so I can keep making. All right. So you need a navy blue, you need a lighter blue, and you need a sort of grayish sand kind of color, white, and then a little darker yellow, not bright, okay? And it's only 19 layers. Like I said, I actually did this in 15 layers, I think, when I originally did this. And so I updated it just a little bit because I wanted to give him I'd started doing a little bit more work with muscle. And so I wanted to give him a little bit more of a muscular arm. And like I said, I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to redo that head and make it a little bit more, because I don't like using the stock stuff that they give you. You guys know that. I really hate doing that. There's nothing wrong with making a logo like that. If you like that, hey, by all means, whatever floats your boat, dude. I don't care, but I don't like doing that. Because like I said, I want to be creative and I want to have fun with this. All right, so here we go. Let's bang this one out real quick. This should be a really super simple one. All right, baseball bat in the light blue, -13, 106, 246 rotation, 47 scale. Use the Overdogs, and again, I'm only doing this, I did this only to save space, in that sort of, I don't know, slate. Let's call it slate. That looks like slate. For both, okay? And that's going to be at 0, 104, rotation 17, rotation 17, scale 54, okay? And the reason why we're doing this early is because we're going to be layering stuff on top of it. All right, Ellipse 3, this is going to be the surfboard. And do it in that navy blue, and it's going to be 0, 0, 0, scale 100, okay? Then thin box, I would actually, again, this because I did this in Super Mega Baseball 2, and I hadn't really discovered using the text function yet to do a lot of cool stuff. So I would probably do this in underscore when I redo it, but in this one it's thin box. It's similar in size as compared to the real logo, and do it. And I did it in a sort of a muted yellow. Yeah, that's the only way I can really describe it. You know, it's like between a muted yellow and a tan. All right. And sorry, I forgot I had that one in there. That one's at -4, -50, 0 rotation, 59 scale. And then we're going to do surf in font 7. All right, dudes, because that's kind of Californian, I guess. And in white, that's going to go at -54, -1, 0 rotation, 10 scale. And then do sand in that yellow, that darker yellow, font 7 also, -115, 55, 0 rotation, 6 scale. Then do Diego, and that's yellow, 77, 55, 0, scale 6. Then do the Dawgs, DAWGS, in white, 102, -1, 0 rotation, 10 scale. And again, we're doing this in font 7 on everything. Then do the baseball cap in the light blue and that yellowish color. 21, 175, 357, scale 28. And then I did the happy mouth. Again, this will change when I redo this one. 51, 103, rotation 6, scale 18. Circle 1 for the shoulder, for the deltoid. In the slate, negative 26, 70, rotation 0, of course, and scale 16. Pinched oval for the bicep and the tricep, and I moved it just a shade to kind of make it look more like a bicep as the bigger muscle. So pinched oval 1 in slate, negative 26, 13, rotation 0, scale 25. Then trapezoid 1 for forearm, which I've used many times. In slate also, negative 25, negative 52, rotation 357, scale 18. Then I just used the number 3 in font 3 for fingers. I would probably use a square 3 or 4 on this going forward, and then I would probably just maybe use the black 3 to kind of make the in-between lines on the fingers. But so I just use that 3 font in the font 3 in the slate, and that's at negative 23, negative 93, 269, and a rotation of 6. Then a capital S, and this one I do in a 2 font because it looks really cool. For the tattoo, in the navy blue, negative 27, 77, 0 rotation 6 scale, and then the D also in font 2, negative 27, 25, 0 scale 6. Then chain, I think it's like one of the few times I've ever used this, negative 27, negative 49, rotation 45, scale 10 in the dark blue. Arc, and negative 29, negative 36, rotation 77, scale 18. And then the Celtic Knot, I just did this just to put something else on there. Negative 22, negative 28, 0 rotation 6 scale. So there you go. And I think I did the jerseys. So yeah, so the jerseys are, I don't remember which jersey it is. It's got this one's where it's got the 3 lines on the bottom, and so it's dark blue, yellow striping, and light blue on the sides. And then what I would do, I would just do a white outline to kind of show off. There you go. So you see the surfboard, and I would probably just take this surfboard, move it up a shade. There you go. Okay. And then do the same thing on the home, and the home is a yellow with light blue on the sides. Okay. So there you go. San Diego Surf Dogs, real team, and hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Bye.